Good morning and welcome to week 4 of our continuous online learning. 1 and 2 don't change at all this week, but just wanted to include them this week, and then the remaining 3 weeks after this week that finishes up the school year for us. We are going to be working on what would have been PowerPoint. Now we are going to be doing Google Slides. So again, very similar, a lot of the same concepts, and I think we could still develop a lot of the same skills using Google Slides as we would have in PowerPoint. So we are now on to our PowerPoint unit. And the first thing I wanted everyone to do is to read this article. So the first thing you're going to be doing is going to this document on our class page. So on our class page here, we have presentation tips and about me slides. So that is our week. So when you click on presentation tips, it'll bring you to this document with a hyperlink to this article. So it's just the top 10 slide tips. And I think that this is so important and just kind of the most cringy thing I see as a teacher when students are doing presentations. Just ultimately number 2 here, just the amount of bullet points and the amount of text. So you should never have a paragraph on a slide. And I prefer the bullet point look. And you should really never have more than 5 bullet points on a slide. So some people talk about the 5x7 rule, so no more than 5 bullet points with no more than 7 words in each bullet point. So that's maybe something that you've heard before, but the cool thing about this article is kind of gives you what don't to do and kind of an example of a better option and even a better yet option. So it's easier as you're doing presentations for other classes. Obviously, you're not going to have to present anything, so it's a little bit different. But if you were to present any of these slides for the rest of the year and you really knew the topic inside and out, this is really all that you would need on the slide. And then you could just ramble, like I ramble all the time on these videos and all the time in class. So if you really know what you're talking about, you could just talk forever. So this is just 10 slide tips. Some might not be applicable to us or applicable to you in your classes, but I still think it's a really valuable thing to kick off our PowerPoint/Google Slides unit. Then our second assignment for this week is an About Me presentation. So pretty basic requirements here. Nothing earth-shattering, nothing that I want you to stress out about, of course. And just kind of starting with what should be a pretty easy topic to talk about. So not having to get into any research yet. I hope you know all these things about yourself without researching. But this is our plan for the week. So pretty basic. And that is the plan. So again, on our PowerSchool class page, to-do list for this week, we have our video, the article, and About Me slides. So if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and have a great week, everyone.